Oh man, guys, I cannot believe we are new here like brothers. Well, we are brothers. But anyway, like watching Green X, we had anime series. Oh yeah. Wait, they make a series about that? Yes, Junior. Wait, really? Yeah, it's on Netflix. Okay, watch it.
I needed something to help pay the rent. Afternoon, Donna. Love what you've done with your fur.
Oh, cute. Same as it always is.
Oh, wow. Look at this. We are briefcase buddies. It's like finding a matching snowflake.
It's an unremarkable attaché so that most may.
It's so cool.
And we both
Hey kids, what you doing? Okay, can you pause that, please? Sure.
I'm just gonna.
Anyway, ooh, Green X we ham. Anyway, kids, so what you doing? Oh, Dad, we are watching Green X we ham. Yeah, Dad. Yeah. My God, yeah, whatever. Oh, sure. Yeah. Sean don't really want to watch this. Well, it's kind of cool. Well, yeah. Anyway, so hey kids, I just want to say you wanna go with me outside and see like jingle bells. Oh yeah, for that we a good idea. Jingle bells for babies. Yeah, I know. Enough for babies. It's fun. Come on. I know that you guys are going to like it. Come on, I got to work. Fine. So, jingle bells outside? Fine. Oh yeah, that was super cool. Oh yeah. Yeah, I know. Gina, what was that? I don't know. Dabakoyami Jr. Junior had the hiccups. Hiccups? Why? I didn't know. Guys, I think I had the hiccups. Jenna, we already know. Dad say it. Oh. What, Jenna, can you stop that? I can. Well, try. How? I don't know, Junior. Junior. You know what? How about I should call the doctor? Wait, calling the doctor? Are you really sure? Yeah, I'm really sure. Look, let me call the doctor. Gina, can you stop it? It's kinda annoying. But I can't. Hold on, Junior. I'll call the doctor. Thank you. What is going to be the doctor? I don't know, Iggy. I don't know. Ding, ding. I think it's the doctor. Let me go. Okay. Hello? Hey, I'm the doctor. Do you need any help? Yeah, sure, I need help. Come on here. Oh, okay. So, what do you need any help? What? I mean, what do you need help? Oh, yeah. Well, my son is have a Green X we had. Can I watch it? Wait, just okay. Let me watch it.
Hey, wow. I am Sam. Sam I am. Of the Glurfsburg I Ams. Perhaps you've heard of us. What's your handle, partner? Grumph. Lovely name. How do you spell that?
Cool,
Is that
but...
Grumph?
But yeah, whatever. Like I say, my son he have a hiccups. Yeah. You got a doctor for that? Dad! Ow! Jenna, why you bit me? I don't know. Whoa! Hey, you cannot hit that. Yeah, because he didn't do anything. Listen, doctor, important message or something else. I don't know. But for hiccups, really? Well, listen, you don't just have problem with hiccups. Look, whatever, look. So like you want like I need to like get it out, the hiccups. Yes. Okay. So come over here. Okay. Okay. Let's start with the pow. I know we start. Let me just. Pow. Hey, do you have a room that have mask? Yeah, sure. Why? I should need to go. Okay. Okay, maybe this way. Maybe this one. Ugh. Gosh. Okay. I had the mask. Okay, put it on. Wait, Ninja Turtle, are you really sure? Yeah, it's kind of scary. No, it's not. Yes, it is. Okay. That. What the doctor? Okay. I don't know, Chino. Pow! No, that didn't work. Well, I don't know what to do now. I have an idea. Alright, so how about I should do something scary for him? Like how? I know. Okay, listen. That's a bomb! It got to start for 30 seconds! 30 seconds? Oh my god! What are we going to do? The only way to stop it is he grab one of the markers. But what marker? Listen, there are just one. What color? It doesn't matter what color, just pick one. Should I just try? This one. Really? Oh, sorry. I should have to. Boom! Still had the hiccups. Whatever. Oh man, doctor, what we got to do now? Yeah, doctor. Well, I don't know. I don't have any ideas like the creator. Well, like we can try some water. Wait, water? Yeah, I heard to get without the hiccups is not something scary. It had to do something like drink, like water. What, do I get soda or something? No, because soda makes more hiccups. Well, what drink? I have an idea. Wait, so you say water? Yeah, I say water. Ouch! Sorry, I will get some water. Oh wait, it's right over there. I need to open this. Wait, I need to turn it on. Okay. Okay, is the water in there? Okay. Now I need to put in there and yeah. This is so boring. Okay, I'm done. Okay, I had the water. Okay, now put it in hand. Gino, it's right over here. Now drink it. Okay. So how it tastes? It tastes water. It tastes like normal. Do you know what that means? He got rid of by the hiccups. Yay! Dana got rid of the hiccups. That's super cool. Oh no, I had the hiccups. Oh crap. So I need to boom! Shall I drink water over there? Okay, let's go finish the video and Merry Christmas.